Managing meds just got easier. This video reviews CareZone, the online pharmacy simplifying prescriptions. Find links to everything discussed down below. CareZone streamlines medication management and delivery, perfect for chronic conditions, busy lives, or multiple prescriptions. Enjoy free delivery, automatic refills, and a user-friendly app. This app consolidates medication lists, reminders, and even insurance info, making it especially helpful for seniors, caregivers, and anyone seeking hassle-free healthcare. Securely scan and upload prescriptions directly, skipping the pharmacy trips. CareZone coordinates with your doctor and insurance to handle refills and payments. Free, on-time delivery in tamper-proof packaging ensures privacy and safety. 24/7 customer support is available for any medication or delivery questions. Plus, use built-in pill reminders, a symptom tracker, and a document manager. CareZone's holistic approach sets it apart from traditional pharmacies and online competitors. Even with simpler needs, benefit from its straightforward services. Our testing revealed a smooth, efficient process with excellent customer service. Currently, CareZone focuses on prescription medications, not over-the-counter drugs or supplements. Overall, CareZone delivers stress-free medication management. If you value convenience, security, and a streamlined healthcare experience, explore CareZone. Check the links below for details and to get started.